Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Tailswice 7.4.1 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Tailswice official website, it is tails.net. Click on install Tails. See here the latest release is 7.4.1. Click on this burning a Tails DVD to download. Then see here we have the download Tails 7.4.1 ISO image. Click on it to download. See download started, go to downloads. See here its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Click on new or go to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. See this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Okay. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Select it. Click on open. Then OS as Linux, OS distribution Debian and OS version Debian 64-bit. Don't select this. Proceed with unattended installation. Then hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of zip equals to. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. If you are okay with all the settings then click on start, or right click and select start and start with GUI. Let me maximize this one. Use up and down arrows, select the first one, Tails 7.4.1 and hit enter. See, this is a welcome page. If you want to change language and formats, you have to click on them and you have to select the option. Okay. If you want to create persistent storage, select turn on this one. If you don't want, keep it as turn off. And additional setting, click on this plus button. See, these are the default values. If you want to set the password for administration, click on it and set the password. Remember this password. Later we need this one. Click on it. Remaining options I'm not going to change. Okay. Then cancel it. Review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. See here tar connection. If you want to connect automatically tar, select this one and click on connect to tar. Now open terminal or console. Verify the version /etc os-release. See, we have installed Tails OS 7.4.1. It is based on Debian. Okay. The first step after connecting to Tails OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the administration. Hit enter. Again provide the password of administration and hit enter. See here connected to tar successfully. Click on start tar browser. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to tar browser and default search engine for tar browser is DuckDuckGo. Install version of the tar browser is go to help about tar browser. We have installed 15.0.4. Okay, everything done. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailswice 7.4.1 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.